Euroconsult has been publishing the Satellite to be Built and Launched report for over 25 years. This gives us a very good understanding on how the satellite and launch demand have evolved so far, but perhaps more importantly, how it will continue to evolve into the future. The report aims to cover every single application, orbits, type of operator, and size of satellite. We also deliver forward-looking analysis about new business model and use cases to anticipate what the future satellite and launch demand will look like 10 years from now. Our customers benefit from a comprehensive analysis, from strategic trends to deep dive focus on both supply and demand sides. Featuring a satellite database, our report enables customers to extract the data they need. Our customers get a powerful and accurate understanding of the future demand, helping them to direct and optimize their business development effort in a context of rapid market change. While classic subscribers still have access to the traditional report, our premium customers now have access to new features such as quarterly updates of launches and contracts, giving them access to the most up-to-date information about the market's development. To get the most accurate and comprehensive data from people doing it for the longest, choose Euroconsult.